What's the exact weight?
317.
Oh, good. 3.17. Nice. Almost 3 1/4. Sir, son, nice. Nice, two nice lobsters, huh?
Exactly the size I needed.
Yes. Now to the dispatching part. Again, beautiful lobster here.
Thank you for you guys coming. I mean, this is a treat for me.
Yeah. And here's making a crazy roll.
Yeah.
Mike's also in the house. Chef Mike from Suseki.
Crazy sounds right up my alley.
And big lobster too. At the start of just over 3 pounds. Right here.
Yep.
Just cracking the lobster.
3-pound one.
So you have 2 claws in here.
Yes.
2 big claws from a 3-pound plus lobster. That looks like about 8 ounces of meat, more or less. Is that oil hot enough?
Yeah.
Oh. What do you think about the Guga? Is that how you test it?
Insane. I don't know how he does it. I'll be honest with you.
Little tempura rice roll. You ready to eat, Guga?
Oh, that's crazy.
He's making a sushi lobster roll for you that you've never seen or had before. Fresh Maine lobster.
hungry I am.
Oh yeah, you're gonna love this. I wish this is for me. See, the problem with filming with other people on set, I don't get to eat.
Chef Hiroyuki has something up his sleeve.
Right?
This was not planned.
This was not planned.
He
This is
just said, I'm gonna make something special. I said, oh, yeah, whatever you need, Chef.
Take a look at this.
Oh my gosh, that looks crazy.
Lobster roll. Asian version.
Let's go.
From the crow meat, kind of mixed with a spicy mayonnaise and a little bit crazy
It's a lot of meat in there.
sushi roll.
Right, right.
The more crazy, the more better.
So let me cut it into 3 pieces. Just a little bit.
I love that you were extremely generous with the lobster. Yes, that's what we like. This is like a lobster roll hero style.
Yes.
Oh, very
Oh,
nice.
yeah.
This piece is a sugar good.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
And then also
Yes, sir.
Good piece
Oh,
too.
wow. See, whenever you get messy, that's the best part of eating food.
I'm ready for it.
Okay,
Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Cheers.
Enough talking. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. So good.
Not bad.
Fresh lobster, huh?
So good.
Oh, that lobster.
Oh,
That
wow.
tempura is so nice with it, yeah.
So nice, so tasty, a little spicy, a little savory, a little deliciousness, a little goodness. What else can I say? It's just incredible.
We're gonna have to cut and clean.
Hiro, thank you. Amazing.